Dubai is a city of splendor and innovation where the future meets history. This breathtaking cityscape, a marvel of human ingenuity, thrusts out of the desert sands, offering a stark contrast between the timeless tranquility of the desert and the buzzing energy of a metropolis. Dubai is a melting pot of cultures, a testament to its rich history of trade and commerce. The city's diversity and dynamism are as captivating as its iconic skyline. Dubai is a city like no other, a city that must be experienced to be truly understood. Dubai is a city that leaves no room for boredom. Let's dive into the top tourist spots that make Dubai a must-visit destination. First stop, the Burj Khalifa, an architectural marvel that's the tallest structure in the world. This awe-inspiring building stretches an astounding half a mile into the sky and offers an unparalleled view of the city's landscape. Its observation deck is a must-visit for any tourist, offering a bird's-eye view of the city's glittering skyline. Next, the Dubai Mall, a shopper's paradise. This isn't just a mall, it's a world within a world. With over 1,000 stores, an aquarium, an ice rink, and even a dinosaur skeleton, it's a place where luxury shopping meets entertainment. It's not just about the shopping though. The mall's architecture and design are a sight to behold in themselves. Then we have the Palm Jumeirah, a man-made island that is a testament to human ingenuity. Shaped like a palm tree, this island boasts luxurious hotels, global cuisine restaurants, and pristine beaches. A monorail runs down the trunk of the palm, providing a scenic ride across the island. Moving on, the Dubai Museum, a must-visit for history buffs. Housed in the Al Fahidi Fort, the city's oldest building, the museum offers a glimpse into Dubai's transformation from a small fishing village to a global metropolis. With exhibits showcasing traditional Bedouin life, local antiquities, and artifacts from African and Asian countries, it's a cultural treasure trove. Finally, the Dubai Creek. This saltwater creek is the original lifeline of the city and a hub of traditional commerce. With its bustling souks, the aroma of spices in the air, and the sight of traditional dhow boat sailing, it offers a taste of the old world charm amid the city's modernity. These are just a few of the breathtaking places Dubai offers, each one a testament to the city's grandeur and ambition. Beyond the glitz and glamour, Dubai hides some extraordinary gems worth exploring. Let's dive into the less trodden paths and discover the city's unseen wonders. Nestled in the heart of Old Dubai, Al Basakia, also known as the Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood, transports you back in time. This charming area showcases traditional wind towers and narrow lanes, offering a stark contrast to the city's modern architecture. It's like walking through the pages of a history book. Then there's the Coffee Museum, a must-visit for coffee connoisseurs. This unique spot gives you the chance to taste exotic brews and learn about the history and culture of coffee. It's a caffeine-fueled journey through time. Art lovers, you're in for a treat at Al Circle Art District. This vibrant hub boasts numerous galleries showcasing works from local and international artists. It's a canvas of creativity that truly embodies Dubai's diverse and thriving art scene. Finally, for a sensory overload, head to the traditional gold and spice sucks. Here you can haggle for precious metals and aromatic spices, all part of the authentic Middle Eastern shopping experience. It's a colorful chaos that's hard to resist. These hidden treasures add a whole new dimension to the Dubai experience, offering a glimpse into the city's soul. An enchanting city where every corner holds a new surprise. From the towering majesty of the Burj Khalifa to the serene beauty of the Miracle Garden, we've taken a tour of Dubai's most well-known attractions. We've also dived into the lesser-known gems like the ethereal Dubai Creek and the vibrant Textile Market. Each place offers a unique slice of the Dubai experience, a testament to the city's diverse offerings. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie looking for your next thrill on the dunes of the Arabian desert, a foodie eager to explore the spice souks, or a culture enthusiast keen on immersing yourself in the rich tapestry of Dubai's history, this city has something for you. Dubai's allure lies in its ability to marry the past with the future, tradition with innovation, creating a unique blend that's hard to find anywhere else. Explore these wonders when you visit Dubai. After all, every journey tells a story. Make Dubai your next chapter. Stay tuned for our next journey together.